All right, here we go. Upper Deck Grandeur triple box break. So I'm going to grab 3 boxes out of a fresh case here. They're 4-box cases. Again, each box contains 1 premium hockey coin. First thing I'm going to do is randomize a list of participants. Everybody's on here in their requested spot numbers, starting with Big John, who had spot 1. All the way down to No Hands at spot 30. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quickly. Go. And we'll do the teams. All 30 initial teams are on here in alphabetical order. Starting at the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quick. There we go. Just going to copy and paste those lists into my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. 1 moment. All right. NSP's got Tampa Bay, Big John, New Jersey, No Hands, Nashville and Buffalo, Big John, Florida, Calgary, Grubb, St. Louis, Randinder, Toronto, No Hands, Ottawa, Goose, New York Islanders, Krabby J, Pittsburgh, Christopher, Montreal, Goose, Carolina, Big John, Washington, No Hands, Boston, Randinder, Philadelphia, Goose, Detroit, No Hands, Vancouver, Big John, Dallas, Christopher, Columbus, Coffee Boy, Arizona, T-Val, Minnesota, LA, Krabby J, Anaheim, Big John, Chicago, NSP, Colorado, Randinder, Edmonton, Big John, San Jose, No Hands, New York Rangers, and Christopher, Winnipeg. Put 1 minute up on the board for trades. When we like to trade the team, now would be the time to do so. I was going to say Christopher Columbus. Seal case. And I'm just going to grab the 3 closest to me. And last call for trades. Oh. They're stacked differently. So we're going to grab 1, 2, and 3 for this break. There we go. And last one's in there. Alright. Looks like we don't have any trades, so let's get cracking. Do my best not to wreck these boxes. We'll ship them in the nice little displays. Go. Alright, what do we got? First up, we've got, this is a silver 3,519 out of 5,000. This one will go to Buffalo. It is Jack Eichel. That's going to no hands. Sweet little box if you haven't seen them. Box 2. This one we've got another one out of 5,000. 2,939. This one will go to Toronto. William Nylander. That's Grandeur. Last box. Good luck. Now we're talking. Out of another one out of 5,000. 3,994. Connor McDavid. I can get it to focus. Edmonton is Grandeur. Oh man, lucky. These are nice coins. There we go. Grandeur break. Break number 2. Thank you very much, everybody. Do another one or two on Sunday night.